Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to take a look at another watch. This is the Tactix Delta watch by Garmin, and I was curious about it for a couple reasons. One, it's a solar watch. Two, it's a Garmin, and I wanted to see how it compared with the Garmin Enduro that I've been wearing for the past month. And also one more, how it compared to the Garmin Instinct Solar that I've had for almost 5 months now. Without further ado, let's crack it open. Here we go. Ready? Make a small little incision. Let's take a look at the box first. Solar Premium Tactical GPS Watch, Tactix Delta. Little military term there. Solar Black DL, what is that? DLC with black nylon tactical band. Awesome. 21 days. Nice battery. And it has music. That was the one thing that the Enduro was missing for me. It didn't have music. And this has a sapphire glass. Here we go, my favorite part. Oh, that's nice. Nice packaging, Garmin. Ooh, it has some girth to it. Wow, the nylon band is pretty rigid, I must say. Oh, that's nice. It has that flex to it. Whereas if I take off, this is also, well, it's a Garmin watch. See how there's that flex right there near the watch body? It does look military right off the bat. The normal 5 buttons, similar to your Phoenix watch. And it does have a full watch face. Very different than the Instinct series. Let's boot it up, shall we? And the buttons feel a little bit different. Nice. There's a little bit of texture to each button. Tactix Delta Solar, copyright, loading maps. Getting a little bit of glare from the studio lights. There we go. How's that? Let's do English. Pair with phone. Yes. Download Garmin Connect. You know, first I'm going to need my phone. Hang on a minute. So we'll get my phone. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, are you kidding me? 2 bands. And I'm guessing this is a charging cable. Nice, same as the Enduro. And, there we go. Nice little opening there. Thank you, Garmin. And so we have nice propaganda, Tactix Delta Solar. And you can get this entire manual online in much bigger font. But it is nice that they put it in there, and it's even color. That's nice. Tips for solar charging. And this is a bunch of verbiage that I will never read. So we'll just put that back in the box, shall we? And we'll put that back in the box. And we'll close that box. But I'm curious how this one comes with 2 bands, and that's nice. So almost an identical band, almost an identical band as the other Garmin's with the little, the little click right there. But nice. It's a nice touch that they give you too. And yeah. So we'll just keep all this together in case I decide to sell it. I would like to do more giveaways. Close your knife. Okay, we're gonna set this up. I may not film it. But as far as the watches, they look very similar as far as size. I like how it's just pure black. I do like that look. Has some numbers on the side. 24, oh, military time. Love it. Hopefully you can see that in the lighting. And I like the textured buttons. Okay, I'm gonna set this up. Slept with this tactical watch last night, and here were my stats. Somewhere among these many widgets. There we go. So sleep score of 85, restorative sleep. A little REM, deep sleep, nice. You recovered well by getting enough restorative sleep. If I click on the button, it doesn't tell me anything more. So 85 though, not bad. And you can see the glowing red, so it's trying to track my Pulse OX right now. A very tough looking watch, that's for sure.